Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to check login devices in Amazon Prime. So today we are going to be discussing how to check the login activity of the Amazon Prime. So guys, make sure to follow along and stick around until the end of the video. So first thing that you will do is open up your Amazon application. And from here, just tap on the person icon on the bottom. And now from here, just tap on your account. And after that, you should be able to use the search bar at the top or the search icon. And from here, just search for manage content and devices, as you can see over here. And now just simply tap on manage your content and device. And after that, you should be able to see here devices at the top, so simply tap on it. And guys, from here you will see the Amazon apps installed on devices. So from here I have two. I have the Amazon and Prime Video, so just select what you prefer. And from here guys, you should be able to deregister it over here, and you can also edit it over here. You can edit the device name, and guys, you will be able to see the date as well when it's last registered. And that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful guys, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!